How's it going? Right, back with you with another simple tutorial, okay? Because I hate tutorials that always make it sound like you're a bloody idiot, and they always make you feel like you're an idiot, and then they waffle and waffle and waffle and don't get to the point and really overcomplicate it. All we want to do is press our damn siren so our damn door closes. That's all we want to do. It shouldn't be complicated, and these logic gates, they aren't complicated. They make it sound like they are. They're not. They're simple. I'm going to show you how simple it is. Get your siren, place it down, feed power into your siren. Doesn't matter where the power comes from, just get it in so you see this red light. This means when I flick this switch, that light will go green and start transmitting power into there, and it's going to be the air raid siren. Get a cable from here into this logic, and we want the AND gate. Now what does the AND gate do? It's going to transmit power all the time unless it fills another power source into it. So essentially, get your siren, stick it in there. Then you want to get a power source. This can come from a generator, it can come from anything. Stick the power source in there. When the siren goes off, this will tell this, oh, I'm receiving power, I need to stop transmitting power. At the moment, this is transmitting power because I'm feeding it in, and this is not transmitting power. As soon as this goes on, this is going to stop this from powering, this black one. Now where have we put these black cables? This is a live cable, and it's feeding into a power switch. And then we've got another cable on top of the wall and coming down this side and into the power box, powering it. The only difference is we've got this another cable what's going outwards, what's now feeding power from this box, and it's coming over this wall and going into this gate. What does an OR logic gate do? OR logic gates will transmit power all the time if it has any power. So essentially here, this needs its own power source, and this one doesn't, because this one's going to get it from the other devices. If this gets any additional power other than its own power, it's going to be like, oh, I'm overloaded with power, I'm going to trip this, and I'm not going to feed power. And that means these power boxes will not receive any power, and that means this will not receive any power because this has turned itself off. Simple as that. And the black one is the output, what goes straight into your gate, because it's the gate what needs power. Easy. So let's do this to the test. You watch it. You watch it fail now. Boom. So what has that done? Power into this. What's been powered independently. It's then been like, I'm receiving power into this now. More than one input, I'm going to shut it off. And where's a false alarm? I'm doing a tutorial. So when that wasn't powered, this wasn't getting powered, this wasn't getting powered. Essentially what we've done is got this box and fused them together to make them into one power output for our gate. Now, if we didn't have both of them terminals on top of the wall, we would have the independent power, what we don't want. There you go. Easy. So that's not transmitting power, that's not transmitting power, it closes. And then I can transmit power. Simple as that. Peace out. Done. Like the video and subscribe and all of that nonsense. See you in the next one.